the area of a circle. So remember what we said, there's two formulae. That's the radius. Chocolate, pie, delicious. So let me write it down. Circumference equals pi times diameter. Right, so remember this. If you are given the radius, you have to double it. So remember this, yeah? The diameter is 2 times the radius. Just remember that. It's good to know that and have that in your head. Right, so let me say, if I said to you, okay, let's do area. Area, apple pies are squared. So this is pi. Right, pi has the value 3.142. That's what we're going to use, yeah? So it's 3.142 times radius times radius. Learn it that way. What are the units? What do you measure area in? You measure area in meters squared. What do you measure circumference in? In meters. I want you to remember that. Two things. Let's get this round our heads, yeah? Circumference and area. Let's do two examples. Right, here is a circle. I am giving you the diameter. The diameter is 30 meters. Okay. Circumference is, can you remember chocolate, pie, delicious? Now we're going to substitute values in, right? We know pi is what number? 3.142, right? We know the diameter in this case is 30 meters. So all we do, you know, when we talk about substitution, we take this number and we replace pi. So it becomes 3.142 times. And the diameter is 30. Right. And we do that. So let's do that. 30 times 3.142 equals 94.26. 94.26. And remember, circumference is like a perimeter, and you measure perimeter in meters. Let's crack on. Area. What was the formula for area? Apple pies are squared. So think of a square apple pie, yeah? The radius here is 30 divided by 2. Remember, it's half the diameter. So it's 15 meters. Pi is still pi. It will never ever change. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to substitute. I want you to get used to these words. Substitute the values. So we know what pi is. We're going to put pi into there. So pi is 3.142 times, we figured out what the radius is there. So the radius is 15. So we put that into there. 15 squared. Right, we can do it that way, or 15 times 15. It's up to us, yeah. I can do 15 squared or 15 times 15. It doesn't matter. Let's do that as a calculator. 3.142 times 15 squared equals a big number. 706.95. What are the units? The units are meters squared. Area is always measured in square meters. Right, what I want you to do is, can you try, it's not haram, can you try working out this? So remember, I'm giving you the radius is 6 meters and use that. So I want you to do that one. Right, okay. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. If you can do that, it'll be useful, and then show me on Saturday.